English Unit 2 2.1 Chameleons. Listen and repeat. Chameleons are seldom seen. They are red, they are orange, then they are green. They are one of nature's strangest sights. Their colors change like traffic lights. Poetry is written by Colin West. So, before explaining the poem, let us understand what are chameleons. Chameleons are reptiles. What is the meaning of reptiles? Chameleons come under the family of omnivorous animals. Now, what is meant by omnivorous? That is, eating all types of insects. Chameleon eats all types of insects seen in the nature, in the surroundings. Chameleons have long tails which can regrow itself just like any another lizards. Now let's see some examples. Snake, lizard, crocodile, tortoise, turtle. Chameleons have dry scaly skin and lays soft shelled eggs on land just like other animals like snake, lizard, crocodiles, turtle and tortoise. So students, I hope the concept of chameleon is clear to you. Let's begin the poetry. Yes, I have not started with the explanation yet. So let's start. Chameleons. Chameleons are seldom seen. They are red, they are orange, then they are green. Now, what the poet Colin West says, chameleons are seldom seen. Seldom seen means very hard to see or rarely seen. Lizards are seen in every corner of our house, but chameleons are not seen. If we want to see chameleon, we have to go into the nature. We have to look into the surroundings. So the poet says chameleons are very hardly seen. Chameleons are seldom seen. They are red, they are orange and then they are green. See in the picture above from the left hand side, there you can see a red chameleon, orange chameleon and green chameleon. Do you know why they changed their color? They change their color because they are protecting themselves or they are hiding themselves from the predators. Predators means one who attacks other animal for food. So let's read the poem again. Chameleons are seldom seen. They are red, they are orange, then they are green. Students, I hope this much is clear to you. They are one of nature's strangest sights. Their colors change like traffic lights. They are one of nature's strangest sights. Strangest sights means unusual sight. A sight which is not seen oftenly. It is very rarely to seen or difficult to understand. Can you give another example of an animal like chameleon? No, chameleon is one of its kind. So the poet says its color changes like traffic lights. How many lights are there in the traffic? Look into the picture. Red, yellow, green. So the poet says chameleon changes its color like traffic lights. Now why chameleon change its color? That I have already mentioned you in the above paragraph. To protect itself or to hide from predators. Predators are those who attack other animal for food. So chameleon keeps on changing its color. I hope this paragraph is clear to you. Let's read it again. They are one of nature's strangest sights. Their colors change like traffic lights. So I hope this much is clear to you. Let's read the poem once again. Chameleons are seldom seen. They are red, they are orange, then they are green. They are one of nature's strangest sights. Their colors change like traffic lights. This poetry is written by poet Colin West. Students, I hope this poetry is clear to you. Thank you.